actually the business environment is all about. So friends, what you need to remember is business environment consists of all the factors, either internal factors or maybe external factors, which are going to show an effect or impact on the functioning of a country. That is what you need to understand. So those factors may be either internal factors or maybe the external factors, whatever the factors may be. Anyway, we are going to discuss those factors in detail in the coming classes. But at this moment, what you need to understand, friends, is if you want to understand your business operation, what you need to do is you need to understand a business environment is affected by either internal sources or maybe the external sources or external factors which affect the company functioning. And those company functioning, those factors affect maybe either positive or negative. And I think we have discussed in the previous class. Yes, and immediately after that, we started with the objectives of the business. And as you know, friends, most of the business organizations, we understood that profit making is the primary objective. Yes, it is. It's a primary objective, but there are also other objectives which are also important, equal to the profit also. And we also started discussing growth. Every company, when they started its operations, initially their motto is not to earn the profits. Its motto is to growth. And how a company will grow means by adding more products or by increasing its market share or by diversifying the business into new areas. And in the previous class, I have given an example of ITC also, how ITC firm is a diversified firm. That also we discussed. After that, we also discussed that objectives of the business, power, how these business organizations are the powerhouses. And after that, we also discussed how important the employee satisfaction. Friends, if employee is satisfied, take example of all the top companies like Apple, Google, Samsung, Reliance, or Maruti Suzuki, or whatever the company, the top companies you take, they are success because of its employee satisfaction. The company is making the profits because of the employee satisfied. If an employee feels that they are satisfied, then automatically the company. And not only that, after that we also discussed how important equality, plays a key role, because today there is no substitute to quality. Quality is substituted by again quality, isn't it? So quality in terms of all aspects. So I have said 4 M's, friends. You remember these 4 M's. And what are these 4 M's? Can you repeat anyone? What are these four
Men,
M's?
men, money, missionary.
Men, money, machinery.
Next, last M. Material.
Man, money, missionary, material, money.
Yes, yes. So all these 4 should be quality, isn't it? If men quality means, I'm not saying that quality means they must have the intellectual things. They should have a sound knowledge, and money, machine, material. If all these 4 things are quality, then automatically the company products and services are going to be a quality one. I'll give one example as far as quality is concerned. How many of you heard about a company called the logistics company? Can you give out any logistics company? Blue Dart. Have you heard this Blue Dart?
DTDC, professional.
FedEx.
These are all, yes, very good. That what I'm expecting. So DTDC, these professional, these are the local domestic companies, friends. So one of your classmates said FedEx. Yes, very good. I will give an example of FedEx, how important it is, isn't it? For example, in long 10 years back, when FedEx was operating its operations in America and northern American states, what the company policy says that if any person or the person who is attending the calls of the customers, so assume that the persons who are taking or receiving the calls of the customers, and what are those calls regarding the logistics or regarding the packages, parcels, and all those. And what the company policy says that if if a employee doesn't lift the phone, if an employee doesn't lift the phone in 3 rings, friends, listen carefully. If an employee who is attaining the calls, if he doesn't lift the phone in 3 rings, then immediately 4th ring, they'll get a voice message. and we call it as IVRS message, isn't it? And what that interactive voice recording message says that, sorry, we are unable to provide services to you, so please contact our another operator. So that voice is already recorded voice is the customers will receive, isn't it? Do you understand what I said? So FedEx is a company, and what the FedEx policy says that if an employee is not receiving the calls within 3 rings, isn't it? Within 3 rings, what happens? What happens in the 4th ring? They'll get a message. The customer will get a message, and what that message? Sorry, we are not here to provide the services. Contact another person number or other company number. They'll give the contact details also. What you understood by this example, friends? What is the policy? How quality the company is FedEx? What you understood with the example? What it means? Have you understood the example? Are you understood the example?
Yes, sir.
So what it means? What it means?
The company is providing quality, means it is providing the good service to the people.
But what
who
the
are
fourth ring message says that contact the other person number or other company. What the person who is attending the call, what happens to him? What happens to that employee?
He will take another call.
Another call. Do you think that it's a positive or negative from the company point of view?
I think it's positive.
Negative.
Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, sir.
Negative in the sense,
Yes.
whatever you said is negative is right. Why negative means? Simply FedEx company is accepting that we are not ready to provide service, isn't it? So friends, take it from negative point of view. Means, sorry, we are the FedEx company, we are not here to provide the services, contact other person or other company. Means what it says your inefficiency, and immediately that employee is fired, is removed from the organization, isn't it? So friends, what you need to understand here is a company always work for quality, isn't it? And what their policy says, the employee should lift the phone within how many rings? Below how many rings?
3 rings.
3 rings.
Three rings,
Three rings.
isn't it? That is how the quality companies, friends. That is how the quality companies are all about, isn't it? Quality companies always they take care of their customers. So, and I'm not talking about the companies who doesn't give quality. But friends, if you want to see your company at the top position, always depend on the quality. Why Apple is the #1 company today? Why Reliance is top company today? Why Samsung is a top company? Friends, not because of the people, not because of the quality, friends. Quality in terms of all 4 M's, isn't it? Men, machine, material, and everything, isn't it? So the ultimate goal or objective of any business organization is giving quality, quality, quality. So please never compromise on quality. And friends, tomorrow, if you are working for an organization, you should also produce quality work, isn't it? So quality is also one of the important objective. And coming to next one is market leader. Every company aim and goal is to become a market leader, isn't it? Every company starting today, tomorrow they want to see their company as a top company in the market. But achieving this market leader is not that easy, isn't it? Achieving the top position in the market is not that easy. I have given example before the Jio. Who is the market leader?
Airtel.
Airtel was the market leader, isn't it? So right now the Airtel market share is taken by the Jio company, by Reliance, isn't it? So 6 months, 1 year back, Airtel was the market leader. And 2 years back, ICICI Bank was the market leader. Now it was HDFC, isn't it? So friends, every company they are aiming at market leader, just like how the cricket team rankings, how the one-day rankings, test rankings. If continuously India will defeated by Australia in the series of India and Australia, then what happens? Suddenly the Indian ranking will come down. in one days as well as in the test ranking also, isn't it? So friends, it's a competition. Leadership is nothing but it's a competition. So we are in the competition. If you want to be as a top market leader, you must hard work. It's a profit. You earn the profits. Yes, growth is also. And next, power, employee satisfaction, quality. All together will give your company as a market leader, isn't it? So market leadership is not just like that. Market leader, it requires a lot of efforts, friends. It requires a lot of efforts. It requires a lot of tasks need to be performed, isn't it? So and you need to be always competitive. Always competitive means who is there, who are your competitors, who is watching you, and you should have a 360 degrees watch. What is 360 degrees watch? Means you need to concentrate each and every aspects of the business. If you work 360 degrees, then only your company is called as a market leader. I have given an example also. Nokia, once upon a time, it was a market leader. Now it is not a market leader right now, isn't it? I'll give one more example. So, for example, most of you knows that two-wheeler market, isn't it? Two-wheeler. And I'll give one more example. Have you heard about Philips radio? Have you know about Philips company? Have you heard this company?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes,
So
sir.
right now, the Philips company is. Can you list out few products from Philips?
Light.
LEDs, trimmers,
LED.
fan,
Yes, very good. LED trimmers. Next,
fans.
fans, everything. But earlier, the Philips was very famous with its transistor, friends. Transistor means a radio, isn't it? Radio was the popular product of Philips. But right now, can you see any radio or transistor device right now under Philips? No.
No.
Isn't it? So once upon a time, there was also another company called BPL. Have you heard this company? Have you heard this name, BPL?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So
No,
yes,
sir.
BPL was the
Yes,
top
sir.
company when Samsung and all these big companies, Sony companies are not there, isn't it? So friends, BPL was a top company, and isn't it? And why this particular top company has failed, isn't it? And the main reason was it is most popular in terms of color television. When people are addicted to black and white television, and BPL came with a color television, and it was the most successful product at that time. But people from BPL, they not expecting only the color television. From slowly the BPL, the customer's mindset has changed from color, not only color television, they want a flat screens, isn't it? So now, friends, we are in a QLED era, isn't it? Now, what is the latest technology under televisions?
SLED.
Cloud TVs.
OLED and
QLED.
This is the latest technology right now, isn't it? And when BPL was there, BPL was strong only in color television. It has not followed the market trend. And what the market is going? Market is going with the flat screens, isn't it? So because earlier TVs, if you go to your grandfather or grandmother house, what happens? You can see the old television sets which is very big in size, which is not flat, heavy weight. Right now the televisions are very thin and lightweighted, isn't it? So BPL has not identified that change. So what happens? BPL has given opportunity to some other company. Slowly the BPL company is vanished from the market. So friends, that is how the companies will come and go. What you need to do if you want to be a market leader, what you need to do?
Upgrade.
Upgrade yourself, or always you should have what type of view? What type of view?
360 degrees.
360 degrees view. What is 360?
Throughout year.
Throughout all, from all the directions, from all.
In each and every
360
aspect.
Each and every aspect, which will come from which side, I don't know. Isn't it? If I focus only the competitor who is in front of me, but backside there may be some other competitor who may affect my business also. So friends, do you following me? Market leadership is not that easy. Today we are talking about Jio, but do you think that if Jio strategies are not good, it is going to be market leader always? No, isn't it? So what